Hello, my dear students. Now, this is our another video tutorial for our Module 5, which is the geometric sequence versus arithmetic sequence. Our learning competencies are to illustrate a geometric sequence and to differentiate a geometric sequence from arithmetic sequence. So, by the way, I am your teacher, Sir Rodel L. Sanchez. So, before we proceed to our main topic, so I prepared this example. Okay, we have example of sequences. We have A and B. So in letter A, we have 1/4 as our first term, 1 as our second term, then third term is 4, fourth term is 16, fifth term is 64, then sixth term is 256. And B, we have our first term is negative 11, our second term is negative 6, our third term is negative 1, our fourth term is 4, then our fifth term is 9. Okay, the question is, or the question are, which of these is the arithmetic sequence? For number 2, which of these is the geometric sequence? So, hahanapin natin dito or i-determine natin kung nasaan yung arithmetic sequence at saka geometric sequence. So, paano kaya natin malalaman? Okay. So, simulan natin dito. Okay, ito yung mga definition ng arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. So, in arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence in which term after the first term is formed by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, called the common difference. Okay, so may tinatawag na common difference doon sa arithmetic sequence. Okay, then next, geometric sequence is a sequence in where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called common ratio. So kung mapapansin natin, sa arithmetic may tinatawag na common difference, then sa geometric may tinatawag na common ratio. Okay, so parang ganito yan. Okay, ito yung mga differences. Yung arithmetic sequence, may tinatawag na common difference. Yung geometric sequence, may tinatawag na common ratio. Then, doon sa arithmetic sequence, ang application doon ay addition. While geometric sequence, ang application naman is multiplication. So, ito yung example natin kanina. So, yung letter B, yun ay isang arithmetic sequence. So, as we can observe, yung 11, negative 11, then negative 6, so, then negative 1, parang meron lang siyang dinadagdag. Ano? Dinadagdag na number. So, doon naman sa A, we have 1/4, 1, then 4, then 16. Tingnan mo, naging 16 yung kasunod na 4. So, ibig sabihin, maaring minultiply siya. No? So, ano kayang number yung minultiply doon? Okay. So, balik muna tayo sa arithmetic sequence. So, sa arithmetic sequence, may tinatawag na common difference or D. So, yung tanong, what is our D? Okay, for that example of arithmetic sequence. So, madali lang kunin yung common difference ng ating arithmetic sequence. So, yung pinakasimple is to subtract. Ano? To subtract the second term by the first term. So, our second term is negative 6 subtracted by negative 11. And the result is positive 5. So, as we can see, if negative 11 will add positive 5, the result will be negative 6. Diba? Then, negative 6, if we add 5, the result is negative 1. Then, negative 1 plus 5, the result is 4. Then, 4 plus 5, the result is 9. So, that's why the constant number here is 5, which we call the common difference. Okay, that is for arithmetic sequence. Then for geometric sequence, we have
Our first term is 1/4 and second term is 1.
the question is what is our R or the common ratio. So to find the common ratio, simply divide the second term by the first term. So our second term here is 1. Then second term. Then first term is 1/4. So we will divide 1 divided by 1/4. Then we have uh, 1 times 4 over 1. So bakit naging 4 over 1? Kasi in-apply natin yung reciprocal dito. Ano? Ni-reciprocate natin yung fraction. So, para makuha, kailangan i-reciprocal lang natin. So, 1 times 4 is equal to 4 over 1, that is 4. So, our common ratio is 4. So, as we can see, yung 1/4, if we multiply 1/4 multiply by 4, the result is 1. Then 1 times 4, the result is 4. Then 4 times 4, the result is 16. Okay? Then 16 times 4, the result is 64. Then 64 times 4, the result is 256. So, ibig sabihin, nakukuha yung susunod na term if we multiply. Okay? That is for the geometric sequence. And then, for arithmetic sequence, nakukuha yung next term if we add. So, yan lang yung mga differences ng arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. Okay? I hope you learn some. Okay, so let us try this. Determine whether the sequence is arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence. So, here are the given sequences. So, you will determine if arithmetic or geometric sequence. Then, if you find out that if it is arithmetic, so you need to find the D, or which we call the common difference. And if the sequence is geometric, so you will find R, which is the common ratio. Okay? So that's all for today. So kung merong mga question, mag-comment lang doon sa ating comment section. Okay? That's all. Thank you.